This Friday upload thing, taking a toll on me here. All right, you're probably wondering what I'm up to. Probably like, Brandon, you're a grown boy, just like my grandma says. What are you eating today? If you look in here, we got ourselves a new Ram headlight. I got 2 of them, and they need to be opened up and painted black. It's dirty inside anyways, and then we're gonna paint it black. So how we do that is we shove it in the oven, and then we put it on 250 for 20 minutes. And that will melt the silicone a little bit, and then you can just pop the top off. So that's what we're up to today, so stay tuned. I'd like to thank my Ram buddy, Dalton. He hooked me up with these 2 headlights, super nice. All right, so we're on the last minute here. I'm gonna pop it out and then run to the garage and start peeling that silicone off, and I'll meet you guys over in the garage. There we have it, guys. Bang, super easy. She's all heated up still. You can see this needs a wash inside anyways, so I need to open it up. And you can also see I have dual headlights. These are the quad ones. Apparently they're plug and play. We will see how that goes. Yeah, we're gonna have to remove all this, make it fresh again so we can throw a new bead of silicone in there. And you can see this is broken. Looks good. I'm gonna tape this or pop it out. I'm not sure, whichever's easier. And then just paint this. Don't paint these. This is what gives you light. Just paint this piece. And also take the bulbs out just in case I took mine out. And let's get to cleaning here. Jeez, dusty. So guys, it took a long time actually. I don't remember it being that difficult last time. I got it all out as best I could. That's so annoying. I'd highly recommend you make it hot. I'm just gonna shine this up a little bit. And then we got our, we've done 2 coats to it so far out here. That's just 2 coats right there. So we'll do a 3rd one. And then we'll bring it in to let it dry and we'll throw it together. So we did 1, guys. It should do the trick. You see fingerprints, that's on the outside. I was just pushing it in. So we'll wipe those off after, but the paint's really good. 3 coats on there. Got the blinker in there. You can see silly the whole thing. This is sitting high here. It's really annoying, but it does not want to go down. Maybe I'll clamp it down. But yeah, we just sillied it. Like when in doubt, silly. You know what I mean? Silicone, just go nuts with it if you don't want it to leak. And you can't see it. So that's why, like, when you put it on your truck, this all will be covered. But yeah, we can throw our bulbs in it. I'm just gonna let it dry and then we'll do our other one. All right, guys, so there's the difference. It does look a lot better. You can't really tell that it was taken apart and painted. It looks like the ones you'd buy, which is good. So let's move on to this one. We're gonna go throw it in the oven and take the lens off. We got it apart, guys. So this time, all the black silicone came out on the lens. Now, I'm still not sure if that's good or bad, but that means we have a way easier time setting it back in there. It's all out. So you just put your bead in there, slap it on, and it should fit up better than the other one. Because the other one, I couldn't get all the black stuff out. It was way too difficult. Bam. We got it painted up. We're just waiting for it to dry. And then we'll throw our bead on it, hook it back together, and then throw it on the truck. There we have it, guys. It is back together. Looks pretty good. And we are now going to let it dry, and then we're going to throw it on the Ram and see if they work. All right, so to get these out, we just pop this off, pop your grill out, and then that's it, basically. Mine's very modified, so you can see everything that's going on. But it should be really simple. This one's broken anyways, so that one will come out easy. This one's still intact. Check out the damage here. We got broken tab, stripped bolt up in there, zapped on. We got major broken tab right there, and it's just done. Like, that's done. That's garbage. There, we pop that bolt, that should be there. We come around and we just pop it out the back. That's it, basically. So there's the new, there's the old. You can see these are the quads. So a little bit of a style change. I think I like them more. They look better. Less turn signal, it looks pretty cool. So let's see if they're plug and play. I heard of something's different, so let's just throw it on and see. Okay, definitely liking the look. We still got the orange with the amber in the middle. It actually looks pretty good. I didn't think it'd make much of a difference, but there's There's a noticeable difference. This one needs work still because my mounts are so screwed up. But this one's pretty tight. It doesn't even have a top bolt in. Yeah, that's probably gonna snap if I leave it, so I'm gonna just fix that right away. Ready to quick test. Left. Right. Okay, so if I go... What does that do?
You have a running light that's out though.
Okay, just the top. Okay, so the bottoms don't work then? Is that what?
Signals work just running your running light on.
What's high beam do?
Only one on this side's working. And for some reason your low beams are turning off.
So I have a blinker on and a blinker off.
That's your running light.
Well, that's my running light, but the blinkers work.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I already fixed it. There's the bulb. Bulb had a bad, one of them was burnt, so you got a new one in there? And it all works mint. Okay guys, so as you can see, the dual to quad does work. The only thing I saw that was bad, and what I read about, was when you use your high beams, ones go out, and that's what's happening, right? But that's like the only downside. So you can fit quads to your duals. These lights in here too, I'm not sure how old they are or whatnot. This one doesn't seem to be working at all. So I'll just take them out down the road and flip them, but I definitely gotta do that one. But look at this easy access, guys, right here. Boom.
You have half of your truck away.
Yeah, dude, let's make it easy, baby. They look a lot better though. A lot cleaner than, because these are so scuffed. Like that's just terrible. So I'm happy with it. Changed the look a little bit too. It looks pretty clean. All right guys, I'm super stoked with how those turned out. They turned out way better than I thought. They look really good compared to the duals. That's basically it guys. Dual to quad, there's no issues. It's something to do with the high beams, but I never use my high beams. I have off-road lights for that, so that doesn't really bother me at all. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you enjoyed it, if you want to see more of the Ram, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 3K. We're almost there, 50 subs away when I made this. If you want to be part of that, hit that sub button. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. All right guys, before you go, me and my cat just wanted to say, make sure you guys stay tuned. Next video, we have a new vehicle added to the list. My dad bought something from the 1960s, so make sure you guys stay tuned and you will see it in the next video. Yeah, subscribe. And Goose also wanted to say, car fleet to 3K, baby. Woo!